healthy breakfast, matki sabji and ragi flour, jowari flour, jackfruit flour and suji. Randomly add these flours and suji and make a thin batter like this. Add salt and jeera and pour it on the tawa. Healthy breakfast is ready. Enjoy with chutney or sabji.